Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to grant view-only access in QuickBooks Online. This is incredibly useful when you need to give someone like an accountant, advisor, or team member the ability to see your financial data without allowing them to make any changes or edits to your books. To get started, look toward the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard where you'll see the Settings gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all the administrative controls and user management features within QuickBooks, allowing you to customize who has access to your financial information and what they can do with it. Once you click the gear icon, a menu will appear with several options. Under the Your Company section, locate and click on Manage Users. This is where you'll control all user permissions and access levels for your QuickBooks account. Managing users here ensures that each person working with your books has the appropriate level of access for their specific role. Now you'll see the option to add a new user. Click the Add User button to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about the person you're inviting. Fill in their first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email address is correct, as this is where QuickBooks will send the invitation for them to access your account. Next comes the crucial part where you define what this user can actually do. Under the Assign Roles section, select View Only. This permission level is perfect for situations where someone needs to review reports, check transactions, or analyze your financial data, but shouldn't have the ability to create, edit, or delete anything within your QuickBooks file. Before sending the invitation, it's smart to verify exactly what permissions this View Only access includes. Click the drop-down arrow next to View All Permissions to review the full list of what this user will and won't be able to do. This gives you peace of mind knowing precisely what level of access you're granting. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. QuickBooks will email the invitation to the address you provided, and the user can then accept and gain view-only access to your financial data. They'll be able to see your information without the risk of accidentally making changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.